Applecom Commissioner Rico Bernabe, thank you so much for granting this interview. Siguro po, Commissioner, for our understanding, take us through the process dito po sa pagtatanggal ng police power sa isang local government official.
Meron po tayong tatlong ways for initiating itong withdrawal. One would be kung merong verified complaint, another would be kung merong report, and a third would be a motu proprio investigation by the Applecom and Bank.
So to be clear, hindi pa po ito effective immediately. And what is your timeline na tinitingnan para makapag-decide?
Meron po tayong dalawang prerequisites. One would be the validation, and the second would be consultation. Maybe by end of next week, we can already complete and decide on the matter.
Ano-ano po bang mga grounds ang tinitingnan ng Applecom pagdating sa pagtatanggal ng police power sa isang local government official?
You frequent ng unauthorized absences, pag po mayroong abuse of authority, pag po nagpa-provide ng material support to criminal elements, or basically mayroong mga acts na inimical to national security or which negate the effectiveness of the peace and order campaign. Yun po yung mga grounds which can be used para po ma-suspend or ma-withdraw yung deputation.
What could be Mayor Go's recourse or legal recourse kung sakali pong makapag-decide ang Applecom na alisin sa kanya yung police power? Saan po siya pwedeng pumunta?
Now, this is appealable to the Office of the President. So it's only the President who can restore the deputation of LCEs.
Commissioner Bernabe, thank you so much for granting this interview.